guys, I'm back and I'm happy that you are back as well, here with me and my nail fantasy. Let's have fun with our nails. In this video we're gonna have fun with a polar bear under a starry sky design. I have done something similar before and my husband loved it so much, so I had to do it again. And winter is the perfect time for polar bears, of course. It's still cold, it's still nasty outside, so this is gonna cheer me up because I'm using gorgeous colors and gorgeous products. Let's start with a base coat as always, and then I have put on a coat of this gorgeous shimmering blue Aruba blue from Essie, one of my favorite blues from Essie. Really pretty, and I've used that a lot. I really need to get a new one. And then I have used these gorgeous flakies. These are holographic flakies from Beautybigbang. Look how they sparkle. Very pretty, and when you go over here, you have them already on your finger. They are really light and easy to apply. One coat of Orly Bonder. Let it dry for 3 minutes and then you can dab them on here. And I did that only really sparse. I didn't want to have a full cover of flakies. I just wanted to have something that sparkles like snow, like a starry sky, and I put it on the whole nail except my accent nails. Here the middle is free because I'm gonna stamp the little polar bear here, and also here in my thumbs the middle is free where I'm gonna stamp the little polar bear, and you just dab them on and they will stick to the Orly Bonder. Very simple. I will stamp today with funky fingers, and this one is Gesso. It's a white regular nail polish. If you have a 5 below in your area, you can get funky fingers there. The black and the white from Funky Fingers are perfect for stamping. Used them before. I will seal everything today with the CND Vinylux top coat. This one is not a fast drying top coat, therefore you can use it with flakes and powders and all these things. So I've done that before. I will stamp with my big bling, and I have used this gorgeous mermaid tail brush. Look how finely that is cut here on the top. This really helps you getting into your cuticle areas and getting all these glitters out, and remove, of course, the excess glitters. And I will stamp today with 2 plates from the MoYou London Enchanted collection, the number 06, and this one has the polar bear I'm gonna use. Here it is. Super adorable. And for all the other nails, I am gonna use MoYou London Enchanted number 16. And these are backgrounds perfect for winter. And I have here some crystalline down below, which simulates snow and ice. And up here we have the stars. And I might use only this part, the lower part from this design, but I'm not gonna use snowflakes today. We had that before. And that's already everything I'm gonna use. I will go right into the stamping, and as always, you know the drill. I'm gonna speed up the video, so sit back, relax and enjoy, and I'll see you afterwards with the finished design. I'm back. I have stamped everything. My little polar bear looks so adorable, and it was no problem stamping here. These plates are gorgeous, and the flakies are like rainbow stars. Look how they sparkle. So pretty. It's a really nice winter nail art design. And these flakies, I put some on top after I stamped. You can see that. There are also some in the middle now. And I really love how that turned out. What do you think? Do you like it? Pretty flakes here, very easy to do. You just need some kind of sticky base coat, or you can use a regular top coat. Let it dry until it's still a little sticky. That's when you still see your fingerprint. And then you can just pat on your flakies. And of course I will link all the product links in the description box below. That was it for this video. If you have any further questions or comments, just leave them in the comments box below. I'm always happy to hear from you. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There will be a bubble with my picture coming up here. Just click on that. Doesn't cost you anything, and you will not miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a wonderful winter time wherever you are. Ta-ta. Till next time.